2 input CMOS AND gate. So this is the circuit diagram of 2 input CMOS AND gate here. So let us see how to draw the stick diagram for 2 input CMOS AND gate. The first step is you have to draw the VDD and VSS. So VDD and VSS, or we can name as the ground. Okay, so in the next step, to draw the P diffusion. P diffusion means source and drain terminals of PMOS transistors of the given circuit. So see here in the circuit there are 3 PMOS transistors. So to indicate source and drain terminals of these PMOS transistors, using yellow color draw 3 vertical lines, so which are on parallel. So 1, 2, 3. So see, source and drain, source and drain, source and drain. So indicate this is source, drain, source, drain, source, drain. So P diffusion completed. So next is N diffusion. So N diffusion always with green color. See here 2 N diffusions, the 2 PMOS and NMOS transistors which are in series. So take 2 vertical lines in series. So 2 vertical lines I have taken here. So for these 2 transistors, one more transistor, NMOS transistor is parallel here. So take one more vertical line also. So this is the drain, this is source. See here. So for this one vertical line, for this one vertical line, drain and source. So next here, drain, source. Next coming to the connection part now. So using the yellow color, so see here, source is connected, drain is connected to drain here. So drain should be connected to drain. Next see, source is connected to drain, right? So using the green color, source is connected to drain. Next see here, source is connected to ground, source is connected to ground. So completed. So next see here one, this NMOS transistor, so source is connected to ground here. So next completed. So next step is to indicate the polysilicon layer. That means the polysilicon layer is used to give the terminal indication of the gate terminal. So for NMOS transistors and PMOS transistors, that means the N diffusion and P diffusion, you have to use the red color only for indication of gate terminal. So draw cross horizontal line over the all the diffusion layers. All the diffusion layers. Next, connection between these NMOS transistors and PMOS transistors. So always the connection should be indicate using the color of blue, which is metal layer. So see here, so this drain is connected to pull down network of drain. So drain. Next see, this drain is connected to drain here. Next completed. So now indicating the input and output terminals. So here A is connected to A and this B is connected to B. So A, this is A is connected to A and B is connected to B here. Next see here, so here the PMOS transistor gate is connected to NMOS transistor gate. So completed. So now the indication of the contact points. So where 2 different colors meet, so you have to indicate contact point. So here one contact and here one contact point. So up to here we have completed all the circuit of stick diagram of CMOS AND gate. Now indicate the output terminal. So see, so this output is connected to CMOS inverter output. So give the connection and finally keep output, indicate the output terminal. So this is a stick diagram of CMOS, 2 input CMOS AND gate.